Hey, today I'll show you how to create a simple filter on AOL Mail. And we'll start by creating a new folder because I have an idea. Let's create a filter and set it when a new person will try to send us an email, it will get automatically into that folder. So add folders here in the bottom left corner. Let's press on new folder and let's name it, I don't know, family, okay? And after that press on here on this button to create it. And if you want to delete a folder, just press on this pointing down arrow and delete folder. Okay, so that being said, in the top right corner you'll find the gear icon. I'll press on it and head inside more settings of AOL Mail, in which on the left side the new menu will pop up and you have to search for filters. And as you can see, I have already a filter created, is named deletion ASD. Okay, let's select this filter by clicking once on it, and if you want to delete a filter, press on this trash bin icon and press on delete. Now let's try to create a new filter on AOL Mail and set it together from scratch so the new emails will get into the family folder which we created together at the beginning of this tutorial. Now let's name it, I don't know, family members. Okay, select a filter, select contain, and the type filter value you will have to type the sender email address, the email address of the person who you want to end up in that specific folder. So as an example, I will just type here my own email address because I want to compose a new email, send it to myself, and let's see if that will end up in the family folder. Okay, and here at the bottom choose a folder to move to. I will select the family folder which we created together at the beginning of this video. Okay, so I'll just press on save. Everything looks good to me. Now let's get back on the AOL page and press on compose, and I will compose a new email and I will send it to myself. Subject, let's type something random, as an example B. Let's put just B at the subject. Let's press on send. Now this email shouldn't arrive in the inbox folder or the spam. If we go to the family, it should end up right here. So just wait a moment, and yes, now at the family I can see a number right next to it, 1, because I have one email. Let's press on it, and here is my email with B at subject. So this is how to create a filter in AOL Mail from scratch, from absolute beginning. I hope this tutorial helped you out, and I hope you have a great day.